This is tips number 28. So in this module we will learn, whenever we will tell something to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, we need to provide that potential challenges, what kind of challenges may face. Okay, so those things we will mention, that what kind of challenges may happen in future. So that those things we will include whenever we are writing any prompt to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So let's check the example. Here is the example: discuss AI implementation. So this is very generic question you are asking to ChatGPT. So instead of that, what you can do is you can discuss the challenges of implementing AI in business. What kind of challenges may come in future if you start doing something? So that is what the idea behind this. What kind of challenges you may face? Suppose you are starting a new business, you are studying a new you are starting to create a new course, you are starting a new business, you are starting to a new blogging website. So anything it may happen. So what kind of challenges you may face if you start this project, if you start working this work. Okay, so that is what the thing is. So you are asking ChatGPT, discuss the challenges of implementing AI in the business. AI in the business. So your keyword is I want to start a business and I want to take the help of AI. So what kind of challenges I may face? So please provide me the details, including data privacy concern. Additional information you are providing, that including data privacy concern and integration with existing system. So suppose now I am doing a business, so I have one existing setup, so I want to migrate it to the AI system. I migrate this system with that AI system. So what kind of challenges I may face in future? So guide me. So it will provide the guidance. Next, example number 2 is explain remote work. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that explain remote work, so it will provide a generic answer. Instead of that, what you can ask, explain the challenges of remote work. Suppose you want to do, now you are doing on-site work and you are planning to do a remote work. So in that case, you can ask ChatGPT that what kind of challenges I may face if I start doing remote work. Okay, so this is what explain the challenges of remote work, such as maintaining productivity and work-life balance. You are providing additional information also, such as maintaining productivity and work-life balance. Okay, so and again the another example is describe a project. Instead of asking this, you can tell ChatGPT, describe the challenges and solution in managing a large scale software development project. So I am going to start this project, I am going to start this work, I am going to do this work. So what kind of challenges I may expect, what kind of challenges I may face in future? So accordingly I will prepare myself. So provide me the details. Okay, so let's go to the practical part. Discuss AI implementation. So again, see, I am not explaining this basic information. I am not explaining. I am only providing this details. Okay, let me. Otherwise, you can't understand the difference, I think. Okay, let me explain. So this is my basic prompt. Discuss AI implementation. ChatGPT or any other AI tools, it doesn't know about what is the on which field you want to implement it. So it's a very generic question you are asking to ChatGPT, and it will provide a generic answer. Implementing AI involves several steps and consideration to ensure it effective, efficient and ethical. Here is a comprehensive overview. So it has provided me a detailed information. Detail for my idea, it has given me a lot of information. What is it? Define objectives and goals, then data collection and preparation, then choose the right tools and frameworks, then model optimization, then deployment, ethical consideration, scalability, user training and support, continuous improvement. So all these things, it has given me a detailed information for my idea purpose, for my knowledge purpose. It has given me a detailed information, but I don't want it now. As of now, I want some specific information. That is, I want to start a business and how AI and I want to take the help of AI. So what kind of challenges I may face? So here is the prompt. So I have given. Let's see what kind of response I get from ChatGPT. Again, it's taking time. Let's check. So you are so ChatGPT will think that okay, so based on my prompt, discuss the challenges of implementing AI in my business, so including data privacy concern and integration with the existing system. So it has given me all information and data. How data privacy concern, then regulatory compliance, data security, all these things, integration with the existing system, then quality and availability of data, skill gap and expertise, cost and resources allocation, ethical and bias concern, change management, scalability and fixability, transparency and explainability, performance and reliability. So all the challenges it has provided me, what kind of challenges I may face if I start, suppose if my I have one existing business and I want to migrate it with artificial intelligence, so what kind of potential challenges I can face. So all the details it has given, so accordingly I can take my accordingly I can plan myself whether I will go for that or not, or I will keep in mind, I will prepare myself that okay, this kind of challenges may come in future. So okay, so accordingly I will prepare myself. Okay, so I have got the idea. Again, so the example number 2, let me take this one. Describe a project. So I am asking describe a project. Let's see. It's taking too much time. Let me check. Okay, so describe a project. It will give me a random response, random details response, because I did not provide any detailed information. Okay, so it has described a project, so it has taken, sure, here is a project idea of creating a travel guide. So it has taken a random topic, travel guide, and created a project. Okay, but I did not want to get it. My prompt is like this. So let's check. Now I have modified my prompt and now I should get better response, accurate response. So my prompt is describe the challenges and solution in managing a large scale software development project. Okay, let's see what kind of response we get. I think I have exhausted my limit, so that's why it's taking more time to respond. Okay, so based on my requirement, I have given describe the challenges and solution in solution. So I have requested challenges and solution also in managing a large scale software development project. Okay, so now it has given me a detailed information, challenging and so challenges and solutions in managing a large scale software development project. So scope chief, scope of creep, then resource allocation, then communication issue, challenges and solutions. See here, challenges and solution it has given, challenges and solution, communication issue, challenges, what kind of challenges you may face and what should be the solution, technical debate, technical depth. So what will happen, here is the challenges and solution, integration and testing, challenges and solution, risk management, challenges and solution, stakeholder management, challenges and solution, maintaining team morale, that challenges and solution, adapting to change, challenges and solution, budget management, challenges, solution. So all the detailed information, because I wanted to get challenges as well as solution also. Here is my prompt. My prompt was challenges and solution also in managing a large scale software development project. So it has mentioned the entire details, what kind of challenges I may expect and what should be the solution. Okay, so now I think it's pretty clear to you how to use, how powerful it is, the potential challenges whenever you are asking something, whenever you are starting to do something. Suppose you want to start a blog, you want to start a e-com website, you want to start a new business, you want to start a physical some t-shirt business, or you want to start some any other business you want to start, and you don't know whether what kind of a problem it may come in future. So in that case you can take the help of ChatGPT, you can take help from any other artificial tools. So it will guide you that what kind of challenges you may face in future, and accordingly you can ask the solution also. Okay, these are the problem I understood, now I have understood that these are the problem I may face in future, but what should be the solution, how can I solve this? So it will also provide the solution also. So I think now you have got the quite pretty clear idea about how to write an effective prompt, and these are the very small and powerful keywords like potential challenges and challenges, all these things. So you need to use it in your prompt and you will get the more better and accurate answer. Okay, so yes, again I would say that you create your own example based on your industry, based on your subject, based on your topic. Create more examples, 5 example, 10 example, 50 example, create, practice it, and I'm sure you will get the better prompt for use. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.